Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss. Here we group 10 will presentation our work on tuberculosis. Member group Sefirani, Lilis Elawati, and Eva Musyaropah. Intervention TBC. According to Nanda, 2015 states that the intervention that will emerge is Number 1, diagnosis nursing ineffectiveness, airway, BD, mucus, secretion, tick, hemoptysis, weakness, attempt at a cold bed. Objective and outcome criteria. A. Demonstrate effective choke and sound, clean breath. No, there is cyanosis and dyspnea or able sputum, able to breathe with easy, no pure sleep. B. Show me the way the patient, site, or client not feel suffocated, breath rhythm, frequency breathing within the normal range. No, there is the sound of breath abnormal. C. Able identify and prevent factor, which can be a hindrance airway. Planning nursing. Independent. 1. Give the patient and position high spring fowler. 2. Teach the patient to cough effectively. 3. Teach the patient deep breath relaxation technique. 4. Give the patient therapy oxygen. 5. Give the patient an inhalation. Rational, independent, 1. Fowler position, maximizing lung expansion and lowering effort breath. Ventilation maximum, opening atelectasis and upgrade secretion move to large airway to be issues. Rational number 2, expenditures will be difficult when the secret is very thick or affect infection and hydration inadequate. When sputum bleeds, there is a breakdown or cavitation lungs or bronchial wounds and need intervention over continue. Rational number 3, to be able to lower pain intensity and upgrade pulmonary ventilation. Rational number 4, to fix and prevent hypoxemic state of drop oxygen concentration in arterial blood. Rational number 5, improve respiratory function and lungs for relief symptoms chronic inhalation. Number 2, diagnosis nursing distraction gas action BD damage membrane alveolar capillaries. Object and outcome criteria. A. Increase ventilation and adequate oxygenation. B. Maintain clean lungs, lung, and free oxygen of respiratory distress. C. Demonstrates cough effective and the sound of a breath clean, no cyanosis and dyspnea, or able sputum, able to breathe with easy, no pure sleep. D. Vital oxygen within normal range. Planning nursing independent number 1. Kaji dyspnea, tachypnea, abnormal or decreased breath sound, increased effort exhalation, limitation chest wall expansion and weakness. 2. Evaluation of change at the level of consciousness, record cyanosis or change in color skin including membrane, mucosa, and nails. Rational number 1. Pulmonary tuberculosis cause and affect area of the lung from small part bronchopneumonia until inflammation with diffuse necrosis, pleural effusion, and extensive fibrosis. Effect exhalation can from likely up severely impact dyspnea respiratory distress. Planning nursing number 3. Show Alpus breath lips for exhalas, especially for patients with fibrosis or parenchymal damage. 4. Increase bed rest or limit activities and help self-care activities as needed. Rational number 2. Accumulated secretion or airways implosion can be annoying oxygenation of vital organs and network. 3. Make prisoners against the outside air to prevent collapse or constriction. Airways so help spread the air through the lungs and remove lower the breath short. Rational number 4. Lower oxygen consumption of diving needs period or decline exhalation can lose wake symptoms.
Note 3. Diagnosis nursing imbalance lack of nutrition of necessity body inadequate nutrient intake. Object and outcome criteria. There is an increase in weight body according to purpose. The ideal body weight is appropriate with height, able to identify nutrition needs. There are no signs malnutrition, show improvement testing function of to swallow. There was no decline meaningful weight. Planning nursing, record nutrition status patient on admission, not scan turgor. Weight body and degree underweight badan, oral mucosal integrity, ability or inability to swallow, the presence of tone intestine, history of Nancy or vomiting or diarrhea, ensure a regular diet patient, preferred or dislike, monitor input or expenditure, and weight body periodically. What's the frequency, volumes, to consistency, pass and give, record rest periods, give calm mode before and after the action exhalation, encourage eating a little and often with food, high in protein and carbohydrate. Rational, useful in defined degree or extends problems and choose appropriate intervention, helping in identifying needs or stray special. Consider the individual which can fix diet input. Useful in measure nutrition, effectiveness and food support. Investigate anorexia, nuns and vomiting and take notes possibility relationship with medicine. Can influence diet option and identify the R solution to problem to increase calm or use of nutrition. Help save energy, especially when metabolic requirement increasing moment for lowering testing doesn't taste good. Urinating sputum or medicine for treatment the respiration stimulate the center throw up. Make social environment more normal during it and help fulfill personal needs and cultural. Note for diagnosis nursing. This of infection, organism, purulent, object and outcome criteria. Clients are free from signs and symptoms of infection. Describe the process, disease transmission factor which influence transmission as well management. Show ability to prevent it reducing infection. The number of leukocytes in for normal limit. Demonstrate a healthy lifestyle. Planning nursing assists disease pathology active or passive disease management infection through the propensity to limit the network or through the bloodstream or lymphatic system and potentially development infection via droplets air during coughing, sneeze, spit, talk loud, and sing. Identify our people who are at risk, for example, house members, best friend, and friend. Encourage patients to cough or sneeze and issue on a tissue and avoid spit. Review disposable tissue once wear and washing techniques rig hand pass to report demonstration. Assess control measure temporary infection to example mesh or insulation exhalation. Keep an eye on the temperature according indication. Rational, helping patients where accept the necessity there to the program treatment for prevent reaction or complication, understanding How about disease development and awareness, possibility transmission, help patient or person closer to take step for prevent infection to other people. People who are this exposure is necessary drug therapy program to prevent development or occurrence of infection. The behavior requires for peripheral spread of infection. Work can help lower the stage, isolate patient, and get rid of the stigma associated with respect with infection disease. Fibrillation presence indicator advanced infection.
Implementation TBC. Nursing implementation is the implementation of nursing plans by nurse and patient. Nursing implementation is the management and embodiment of nursing plans that have been complied at the planning stage. Setiadi, 2012. Pulmonary tuberculosis is an infection disease that is still a health problem. Pulmonary tuberculosis begins with tuberculosis, which means an infection disease caused by road-spread bacteria known as Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Implementation is the stage when nurse uphold the nursing care plan for nursing intervention to help patients achieve predetermined goals. The abilities the nurse must have at the implementation stage are effective communication skills, the ability to create a relationship of mutual trust and mutual assistance, the ability to perform psychomotor techniques, the ability to make systematic observation, the ability to provide health education, the ability to advocate, and the ability to evaluate. Asmadi, 2008. The implementation task for TB disease nurse must collect data or information from the assessment stage. Then from the data obtained, the nurse analyzes the data on objective data and subjective data. Through this data collection, the nurse can determine the problem or determine the patient diagnosis. The implementation carried out for the first diagnosis is assessing respiratory function, such as breath sound, speed, depth, and use of accessory muscles. Noting the patient's ability to express secretion by clogging effective cells. The position, the semi-forward patient, teach the patient effective clogging and deep breathing exercise, as well as clean secretion from the mouth and trachea and perform suction as needed. The problem of ineffective airway clearing is related to the build-up of secretion, to the build-up of secretion, thick secretion that can be resolved 3 times 24 hours. For the second implementation, observe fine PTV and provide a comfortable position and encourage the patient to relax, deep breath, and compress the chest when clogging. Provide analgesic as indicated. indicative. The third implementation is to assess the potential for the spread of infection through airborne droplets that enter during coughing, sneezing, spitting, and talking. Carrying out PPV observation, then advises the patient to cough or sneeze or relaxing secretion. The fourth implementation is to observe the patient's sleep pattern and the factors that influence sleep problems. Provide a comfortable and quiet environment, a comfortable position, and assess PPV. Implementation of the five, observing patient responses to activities, provide a calm environment, and limit visitors. Explain the importance of rest and the need for a balance of activity and rest. Evaluation TBC. Formative evaluation is carried out after each nursing action is provided. The result of the formative evaluation so that all nursing actions performed on client can reduce or overcome current client problems. While of summative evaluation, the author performed on the 5th day after providing nursing care to Mr. E. On the 5th day of lukewarm evaluation, it was found that the nursing diagnosis that appeared on Mr. E can be resolved all well. This is because the client and client's family are cooperative in collaboration with the strong nurse, cooperative with other health workers in collaboration with other health workers, so that the implementation of nursing care almost entirely goes to according to plans and goals. The data obtained from the last evaluation are 1. Client say cold and softness of breath are reduced. 2. The client said the nausea decreased and the appetite increased. 3. The client said he had slept well. 4. The client said weakness in reduced. 5. The client said they understood how to prevent and treat TB. 6. The client said they already know about the disease and the spread of the disease. Well, thank you for watching.